Overload. Halo-halo overload by MacabeBest.
Actually, ito yung kanilang jumbo halo-halo overload. Parang 1 liter.
Actually, parang siyang 1 liter na.
Kaya payabak po, ako po Isidore, yung MacabeBest Comfort Food, known as Macabebest Halo-halo. We're just very excited to have our 40th here at San Fernando, San Isidro Pampanga. Started with a problem, our craving. We feel unsatisfied with the food available during that time. And since pandemic po yun, very limited ang option. So the only way to do it is we'll do it ourselves. Nung marami ang sobra sa ating mga ginawang sangkap, hindi tayo pumayag na sobra lang sila. Gusto ko mabawi yung ginastos ko bilang ako ay isang entrepreneur. I tried to sell it sa aking neighbors. And then the following day, they started asking for more. It started to become a talk of the village hanggang sa umabot na siya sa susunod na village. And the next thing you know, it's already on social media. And we're very grateful din sa mga taong unang nagtiwala, unang tumikim. Kaya ngayon, hindi na lang po sa Angeles City ang MacabeBest, kung hindi all over Pampanga na po. Meron po tayo sa Apalit, Magalang, Mexico, San Fernando, Bacolor, Guagua, Florida, Lubao, Angeles, did I forget anyone? Meron tayo sa Global Plaza, Mexico, dyan sa may bandang dyan. Sa Dau, meron po tayo sa Mabalacat, and there's also another one coming up. There are more in the list. I think you cannot contain a good food, sabi nga nila, di ba? If meron kang na-discover na bago, na masarap, ayaw mo solohin lang yun. And you wanted to share the joy and the comfort food that you just found. Kaya siguro, yun, lumabas siya doon sa aming kusina. We made it available online through the social media. Tulong na din ng ating mga partner couriers. At first, we didn't think of getting this big because it was all just having fun and passion and just serving. As soon as we saw na meron ng yung mga taong naghahanap talaga na dumadayo pa, nanggagaling sa malayo. Nandoon yung desire namin na ma-reach namin sila by putting up physical store. In that way, mas marami tayong makita, mas maserve. We have this commitment to make it happen sa mga Kapampangan, to make it available in every town. Instead of just being popular and available during the summer, we want the brand to be catering any season, all year round. So meron na ho tayo hindi lang dessert na matamis, meron tayong maalat, maasim, maanghang, anything that you might be craving for, meron na po tayo dito. And not just that, you can come here, sit, and have fun. So imagine how many stories you can talk to over a cup of halo-halo bago matapos yan, di ba? We've been also popularized by that flavored champurrado. We were the first here in Pampanga to offer a rainy day sensation, no? Maulan, maaraw. Champurrado is a hit. We also have our version of palabok, no? Pansit luglug. Beefy spaghetti, our salad series. Meron tayong buko pandan, mango bango, sago, and then we have coffee jelly. And then soon we will be offering our Graham series. Actually, meron pa tayong mga rice offerings as well to selected outlets na pwede po silang mag-dine. We have sisig, yan, yung kakatamang tidtad. We have our own version of dinuguan, roast beef, manyaman lang mag-roast beef din ninda. Yes, if you have the heart to serving good food and also want to join our vision, malyari la pong mag-inquire and partner with us, emailing us on MacabeBest macabebest.franchising@gmail.com. Available na lang po ang 5 natitirang slot dito sa Pampanga. And then after that, we will expand outside po. Maya Paldo Kabalen, ako po John of McArthur Comfort Food. Agkatanda kayo po na bisitahan and i-check out ang kami pong branches. Kaya po Pampanga, you can visit our page for the location and also the contact number. We're also available online. Pwede na kayo po mag-book via Grab, via Food Panda, or other courier available sa inyong lugar. Agkatanda kayo po nung kayo pong special event, corporate, or private party, we can also cater. We can have a set up a halo-halo bar. Kaya po kayo mismong party. Sana po ayisip kaya po yung MacabeBest na itong kaming pag-serve kaya kayo.